guys, today we're going to be showing you how to brew cold brew 3 different ways. We have our French press, our cold brew system, and our cold brew toddy system. We decided on a coffee water ratio of 1 to 2. It goes really well with cream or any additives like water, almond milk, whatever you prefer. But you can always adjust that recipe on your own preference. So let's dive in. First, we're going to start by brewing in our French press. We're going to be using our Bizzy Light and Bright Cold Brew coffee. We crafted the perfect grind size for cold brew, but you can use the coffee of your choice. Just be sure that it's coarse ground. Fill French press with desired amount of coffee. We're using 1.5 cups for our recipe. Then add water. We're using 3 cups for a 1 to 2 coffee to water ratio, but you can always adjust this if you're not using our recipe. Then you're going to want to mix and agitate, and make sure you're wetting all of the grounds before you let the coffee sit. Then we're going to replace the lid. Don't plunge until the coffee is fully brewed. Store at room temp anywhere between 14 to 24 hours. If you prefer it chilled, extend your brew time. Next, we'll brew in a standard cold brew maker. We're using the Penguin Brewer. Now add coffee into the infuser. We'll be using our Smooth and Sweet Medium Blend, which is the #1 seller on Amazon in the cold brew category. No matter what, always use coarse ground coffee when making cold brew. Again, we're still using our recipe, so go ahead and add your 3 cups of water. Again, you're going to want to agitate your coffee and make sure all of the grounds are wet. Let it steep at your preferred temp. We recommend room temperature for 18 hours. Lastly, we'll be using another popular brewing system, the Toddy Cold Brew Coffee Maker. First, insert the stopper into the bottom of your brewing container, which we've already done. It's also good to dampen the filter before you start. This time, we're brewing with our dark roast, the dark and bold blend. Since this is a larger vessel, we're going to add 3 cups of coffee to the container. Add 6 cups of water to maintain that 1 to 2 coffee to water ratio recipe. Stir and wet the grounds. Cover it up. Put the container back onto the glass pitcher and let it brew for 18 hours. And now we wait. Good morning. Hope you slept well. Let's get these brews finished. Finally, you get to plunge your French press. Remove the infuser and make sure to let all the coffee drain. Try not to make a mess. Remove the stopper from the bottom and let the toddy drain. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Time to share. Make it your own by adding creamer, milk, or a milk substitute, or have it black. This recipe does make a concentrate, so if that's too strong for your taste, we suggest adding 2 parts water to 1 part coffee. Now grab some friends and offer them a cup of delicious cold brew, especially if they're looking this stiff this morning.